welcome to my channel. This is Ogonwadi's channel. Guys, how are you doing? Alright guys, today is going to be a very quick one, I promise you. I just want to show you how I make peppered Pomo. Pomo in Igbo we call it Kanda. In Yoruba land and other places we say Pomo, but in English it simply means cow skin. It doesn't really have any nutritional value, but we just love it. This is it. This is Pomo. This is the type we have over here in New York. If it was in Nigeria, the one we have is kind of softer and kind of clearer in color. So this I already boiled. Normally you wash it properly. I like to use iron sponge to wash out any sand or whatever in it. So I boiled it, and in boiling it I decided to add thyme, ginger, garlic, salt, black pepper, just to give it a taste, because it really doesn't have much taste. You have to really support it. So all we're doing is making a pepper sauce to mix with this. Let me tell you, when you make this and you get yourself a bottle of chilled red wine, ooh, you are good to go. So this is what we're going to be needing: vegetable oil. Over here I have this is green onion, some people call it scallion. This is curry powder. You could skip it if you don't want it. I have onions. I have my favorite yellow and orange red bell pepper. This is sweet red bell pepper. I have dry thyme. I have black pepper, and of course we are gonna use salt. All right, this is very simple. I'm keeping it very simple. So the first thing, I like to use the wok for it. Okay, so the first thing is I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the stove, and then let the oil come warm a little bit, and I'm going to go ahead and put my onions. But let's just give the oil for some few seconds to warm up. Right now I'm going to throw in the onion. You can use any type of onions you like, okay? Doesn't matter. What I have here is, like I said, red bell pepper and Scotch Bonnet pepper. I kind of blended it. I kind of crushed it, not blended. I crushed it, and then I dried it up a little bit to remove the water because I needed it dry. So for taste, I like to put curry first while I'm frying the onions, just to enhance the flavor. Okay, now I don't need to fry it much. I'm just gonna go ahead and introduce. What I use here is 2 red bell peppers. It's not really a large size. So I'm just going to fry it and make sure it's very dry before I add any other thing. Okay, at this point now I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of thyme. You could skip it, guys. A little bit of black pepper. And just a little bit of salt, because I already salted the Pomo while I was, cooking it. So I like to put in my green onion right now. I'm going to hold off a little bit on the orange and yellow. For now, let me fry this down. Okay, the sauce is ready, and I'm going to go ahead right now and introduce our boiled cow skin, aka Pomo / Kanda. And at the same time, I'm going to throw in my rainbow pepper, the yellow and orange sweet red pepper. Give it a stir and let it cook for like 7 minutes, and that will be it. Alright, let me cover it and just let it cook down a little bit. Okay guys, and here you go. I present to you your peppered Pomo, peppered Kanda, peppered cow skin. Now I turn off the stove, and I'm just going to scoop it into the dish. Okay guys, you see, now I'm gonna have to eat this with a chilled bottle of red wine, or maybe white wine. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me, guys. If you're coming to my channel for the first time, God bless you. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share the video, leave me a comment. Thank you so much to my returning subscribers. You are awesome, guys. I don't even know what to say. You are so amazing. Thank you for promoting this channel. God bless each and every one of you. Please stay safe and stay blessed. Bye. Some other time. Bye.
right there on top of the moon. We could sit and do nothing. Oh,